I'm going to start this video by saying, if you know anybody who is modifying their Tundra with one of these green Coleman stoves, please leave a comment. I will be really surprised if anybody has taken a Coleman stove and modified their Tundra with it. I hope you stay and watch. Thanks. Hey tubers. Oh man. So where are we at? Well, got the 03 Tundra, wheels off. I've got it on a jack stand, and this is just set up for extra safety. But I'm experiencing a rust problem. I thought my truck was rust free. It's not. So I'll show you where my rust hole is, and then I'm going to show you how to patching it with a Coleman stove. How many people are doing that to their trucks? Let's see what we have. And what's happening is the frame, all this stuff here is really nice and solid. You know, there's nothing but just dust coating. Even the nuts and bolts are fairly clean. But when we go up into the fender well, rust hole. Probably just from crud collecting. So my plan is to clean this up, zap it with a little spray paint or something, and then I'm going to put some kind of a patch over this thing to stop shit from going back up in there. Everything's still solid in here. All this metal's solid. The rust hole stops about, I'd say, a ½ inch from the fender well. So, caught it early enough, I guess. And I've got a matching hole on the other side. Okay, everybody's got a Coleman stove. Nobody ever uses these little wings. Are useless. I never use them, never have used them. But you know something? The metal here would actually be perfect for patching the truck fender well. Testing my drill fit for pop rivet correctness. Like I said, I've decided not to caulk this in because I don't want to trap moisture. But at least this will stop all the road crap and everything from being thrown up in the hole. Ow, 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 ow. Too far away. Now, pop rivet, and I'm going to put a washer just to make it even worse, better, worse, whatever. Go through the hole. There. If that's not factory fresh, I'll eat my hat. There you go. That's the whole panel right there. Just pop riveted in a few spots. The hole's patched, but things can still drain. I thought about trying to seal it up, but then I said if it just builds up on the other side, it's a water spot waiting to rust. And I'm going to do the exact same patch on the other side and call it a day. I'll let you look at the other side when it's done. I could not be more happy with how this turned out. I was originally going to go with cans, but that seemed like a lot of work and metal wasn't quite right. But Jesus, that's perfect. And it's already got a nice professional coat of, metal on it. Pop riveted up tight. It ain't going nowhere. And now, hopefully things will, they're going to rust and rot, but maybe it'll slow down a little. My frame has zero rust. That's just dust. No rust anywhere. All the connecting bolts are clean. This is it was a rust-free truck. Used to just be the bumper had a little rust, but with the fender wells on the bed rusting out, I guess she's showing her age. But again, nothing to complain about. I've already put the wheel on this side. The patch is in place. And I can still use the Coleman stove. It doesn't get any better than that. And that is actually the defective Coleman stove that I've got a brand new replacement for sitting in the closet.